Right, so why aren't more people chatting about how brilliant chicken tortilla wraps are? They're quick, they're tasty, and I'm going to show you how to make one in a flash. First, grab yourself a tortilla wrap. Now get your favorite sauce and put a big dollop right in the middle. I'm going for spicy mayo. Next up, chuck in some cooked chicken, grilled, rotisserie, even leftover chicken from Sunday dinner. Anything goes. Let's add some lovely fresh veggies, some lettuce, chopped tomatoes, and a bit of red onion. Want some crunch? Sprinkle in some tortilla chips. Nearly there. Add a good handful of grated cheese. Now roll it up nice and tight, like this. And there you have it, a yummy chicken tortilla wrap. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or even a quick snack. Easy peasy, tasty, and super speedy. Give it a go and tag us in your photos. We want to see your amazing wraps. Happy cooking!